Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will review Mission Lane credit increase. We'll explore how these increases work and why they matter for your financial health. Understanding the process can help you manage your card more effectively. A higher credit limit can positively impact your credit score by lowering your utilization, which is a key factor in credit scoring models. Let's dive into the details to see if pursuing a Mission Lane credit increase is the right move for you. To qualify for a Mission Lane credit increase, responsible card use is essential. Focus on making all your payments on time and never go over your assigned credit limit. Keeping your credit utilization low, ideally under 30%, demonstrates good financial management. Additionally, ensure your income and housing details are current with Mission Lane, as they use this information during their periodic account reviews. These practices significantly boost your chances for an automatic increase. A key aspect of Mission Lane credit increases is that they are usually automatic, meaning you won't submit a direct request. While initial limits might start around $300, consistent good behavior can lead to limits of $5,000 or even higher over time. This card is designed to help build or rebuild credit, and its reporting to all three major credit bureaus is a significant benefit. Remember, managing your account responsibly is crucial for seeing these positive changes. For those looking to build or rebuild credit without a security deposit, a Mission Lane credit increase can be very worthwhile. It offers a path to improved credit health. However, be mindful of the potentially high annual percentage rates and annual fees. To avoid accumulating interest, always strive to pay your balance in full each month. This card serves as a valuable tool when used wisely. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.